Hi guys, Juan here with Colt Steel and Manufacturing. Today we're going to do a little educational tour, okay? Today we're going to be talking about cold form steel, okay? This product right here is revolutionizing the building industry for builders, custom home builders, commercial contractors, commercial developers. This is right here. We want to introduce a cold form steel product that's affordable. It's revolutionizing the building industry. What makes us separate from everyone else is not only do we manufacture here in the US, but we will also deliver and we will also install the pre-panelized and truss system for you guys. Okay, so we have our own installers. Been in the cold form industry for 4 years. Started off with a much heavier product, which is a great manufacturer we partnered with, but they do a lot heavier. This is just a gird. So this product is great if you're doing like steel buildings, if you're doing like warehouses, but it's also competing up there with it's a lot more cost effective than regular. But this right here for residential homes, apartment complexes, we can go 12 stories high, up to 3 stories for residential, go 2 stories. Architecturally, we can do a lot with it. Aesthetically, it looks really pretty. People say, well, how's it insulated? Obviously, we're using a foam board here. So any type of sheeting you want, you can put it like a rock-based system, plaster. You can put steel, 26 gauge steel, 24 gauge steel. You can do interlocking systems such as like you got a standing seam roof system. That's what we typically run with a 50-year warranty on it. So there's leak proof. But this right here, this is what we produce in a manufacturing plant. This is basically acts as your wall system. You can insulate it with spray foam, insulate it right here. You can see how we leave a cavity here so that you can go ahead and put your traditional insulation on the inside. You want to run your mechanical insulation right here. Then you can run your sheetrock right here. Your sheetrock will attach directly to the inside of the face. So acts as your outer wall, and this is your inner wall. So your sheetrock will attach directly to the steel. Zip right to the studs. People ask how far off center. Typically, what your international building code calls for, whether you're doing commercial or residential. We do internal walls, exterior walls, 1 story, 2 story, 3 story, you name it. So check us on the web at coltsteel.com and let's set up a free consult. We'd love to see if we can serve you guys. Have a blessed day.